It's Esau, Edom, fighting in the quarter for the remnants of the Edomites. I got a blessing and a curse here for you. Forbear if you want to. I wouldn't. Bringing it out, but I know you already got it. It's just going to be a confirmation. Because you're circumcised through the heart, part of the body. Edomite, sharing space with me. All right, here it goes. Obadiah. Edomites. Edom. High places. House of Edom. Destroyed. Go to Jeremiah 49. The sound will be heard throughout to the Red Sea. Edom's destruction. The house of Edom. Their fortresses. Destroyed already. Some escaped. Go a little bit up. Jeremiah 49. The people of Dan to Dan. That means lowlands. Flee. For the destruction is coming to Edom. Edom is not. Guess who else is not? The circumcised and uncircumcised is not. Be a new man. No longer are we Edomites. We are part of the body. Israel. And Babylon, me. A place where the kings go and assemble themselves against the enemy. Here is where their destruction will come to their ways. Here is where Babylon will fall in America, formerly known as Turtle Island. The kings of Sodom and the surrounding areas assembled themselves in ancient times. The slime pits. There they fell. What did we find in the tar pits? A substance that grows around spent plutonium, which is fluoride. And that's how we're going to break the algorithm, because I'm about to tell you who Esau is today. Substance grows around the waste. The Lord has the earth fighting for us. No weapon formed will harm his people. Don't care about that fluoride. It calcifies in your systems, just like it did to the radiation. It makes it harder to remediate for these people. And what does that have to do with America being Babylon? Because that material from the slime pit is concrete. This place is full of concrete. It's a pit. This place is a slime pit. And all the wicked ones have assembled themselves to rally around this place. And we're talking about liberty. I don't know how that even resembles anything that has to do with freedom. We have liberty so we can worship the Lord, not so we can be wicked. Who are the Edomites? The wicked ones. That's what it says in the Bible. He spared some of them in the form of warning them to leave from the lowlands because they didn't choose to establish and build in the cliffs and build their fortresses and prop themselves up against the others and be proud. So those who are not proud at heart, they were destroyed and they were grafted in with Israel because they blended into the other surrounding areas, the other nations. So Edom is alive and well today. I'm going to tell you who Edom is. I'm going to tell you who he is. I'll tell you who Edom is. You want to reference the Heraldonians. You reference them. But when you want to get closer to our time, who they are today, is who builds the desolate places. What's one of the desolate places we know of? Petra. Who's trying to rebuild Petra? UNESCO. Who's UNESCO? The UN. Who runs the United States? The UN. There's Esau, Edom.